You are a creator on YouTube and you notice that your video usually die after 24 hours to 48 hours of posting. Like after it has gotten its first 10 views, 20 views, 50 views, it just stops right there and nothing is going on anymore. Then this might be the reason why this is happening. In this video, I'm going to be revealing to you why this is happening to your video and then 5 actionable strategies and solutions you can do to be able to revitalize that video and revive that video to keep getting views even after years of uploading that video. Even after months and days of uploading that video, you keep getting that video. I did this in one of my video and this is the video right here, and it's been getting views since then, and every other of my video keeps getting views till now after doing these 5 things I'm about to show you in this video. Now what you need to do is sit back and relax and watch this video to the end and do not skip anything. Now if you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Blessing and I teach tips and strategies on how to grow on YouTube and how to monetize your YouTube channel and make money on this YouTube space. Now if this is the video you have been looking for, kindly hit the subscribe button so this will not be your last. And now let's get right into this video. Now the reason why your video keep dying after 24 hours, it doesn't get any views, it doesn't go anywhere after that 24 hours to 48 hours, it is because YouTube is still testing your audience. YouTube is still pushing your videos and testing your audience. YouTube, there's a way YouTube works, YouTube algorithm works. It takes your videos and tests it to different sources, different people on YouTube, and see how they are going to react to your video. Now if this group of people react negatively to your video, the video automatically dies. Then next time you upload another video, they put it again to those set of people again, and once they react positively, maybe slightly positively, the video gets viewed a little and then dies later. That is how this works, until this is going to keep happening until one of your video is going to get that viral attraction. Why? Another thing why this is happening to your channel is because you do not have enough data SEO keywords on your video for YouTube to be able to promote your video. What that means is that the key points and the key things, factors in your video, that is, if you are making a video about how YouTube is not recommending your video and you don't put YouTube recommendation, YouTube growth tips, and all those SEO keywords that YouTube needs to be able to push that video, if you don't put it enough in your video data, YouTube will not be able to recommend your video. YouTube will not be able to push your videos further after 24 hours, and that video will automatically die. Now these are the 5 strategies on how you are going to be able to revive that video. Like these strategies I am going to be showing you is what has been able to work in so many people's channel. Don't just upload video and then after 24 hours it dies, then you are now moping and crying, and then you go back and you're saying you want to quit YouTube. No, YouTube is not for those who quit. YouTube is for those who keep showing up and keep posting videos and keep doing the right thing on YouTube. Now the first thing you need to do is you have to change that thumbnail and title. Me and you know that thumbnail and title is not clickable, is not searchable. So what you need to do is go back to your Canva, go back to whatever editing app you are using, and create another eye-catching thumbnail and title for your video. Now to be able to get titles for your video, you need to go to your ChatGPT and tell it to recommend good titles for your videos. Yes, that is clickable and searchable, that has SEO optimization. YouTube, yeah, ChatGPT is going to give you different, like 5 or 6 types of title for that your video. Then you have to use one. That is how you can be able to revitalize that video, because once you do this, you see that your video will start getting views and it will start getting the views that it needs. People will start watching that video because the title has changed, the thumbnail has changed, and then you see a significant change. Now the second thing you need to do is your subtitle optimization. You can do this in 2 ways. You can either put your subtitle while editing your video, when you are editing your video before you upload on YouTube, or you can go to your YouTube Studio, the desktop version app, and edit your subtitle there, so that when people are watching your video, they can be able to read through your subtitle what your video is all about. And while you are doing this, this is very important because the AI that YouTube app will be able to auto summarize your video. Just this way it has auto summarize this person's video right here. I usually see this when I'm scrolling on YouTube. AI generated summary of the video, like it's going to allow you read the summary of that video. It means that this person has optimized his title, and if the subscriber is ready to watch that video and see that okay, this is the video for me, he will click on that video and then watch that video. This is very important. Now the third thing you need to do is to add optimized tags and hashtag to your video. Yes, don't use the same tags and hashtag you have used on other videos talking about different topic on the same video again. What you need to do is that look for the hashtag that this your topic has, this your new topic or your new video has, and incorporate it into the hashtag and the tags of your video. The tags of your video are already automatically set on your YouTube Studio desktop version, that is the setting on your Chrome version. But whenever you are uploading a video, you have the option to be able to change your tags and your hashtag every single time you are uploading a video. So what you need to do is that make sure you go to ChatGPT or any other AI tool that you have that you use for your videos and tell it to give you a well optimized title for a well optimized tag and hashtag for your new video. Now when it has given you this hashtag, you can just copy it and paste it on the tag and paste it on the description also, to be very safe and to be very clear, to give YouTube the enough keywords to be able to work with your videos. Now the fourth thing you need to do, and this is very important as a creator on YouTube, leave the algorithm alone and focus on your audience AVD. Yes, CTR and AVD is very important. Your impression click-through rate on your video and your average view duration is more important to you than the algorithm. Whether your video is getting traction or not, what you need to focus on is your audience, how your audience are watching your video, how long do they watch your video, how do they interact with your video, do they leave comments on your video, do they post on your community tab. If nothing is going on in all this section, it means that you're not doing the right thing on YouTube, and YouTube will not recommend your video to anybody. YouTube only recommends your video if people are engaging on your video and people are liking the video and staying watching your video for a longer time. That is when this miracle is going to happen to your video. So if you're not doing this, if you are listening, if you are looking at the algorithm, how much you have pushed your videos, how much views you are getting, and you are neglecting your subscriber, you are neglecting your audience and your audience attention and what your audience need, then you are not doing the right thing on YouTube. Then you know that your videos will just keep getting stuck at that pace that it is. Now the fifth thing you need to do, and this is the most important of them all out of the four things I've mentioned, to be able to revitalize your old videos and to be able to get more views on your old videos, you need to link the playlist or the video card on your new video. Always make sure you are doing this to every new video you upload on YouTube. Make sure that you put a link of your older videos to your cards or to your description box or your playlist. If possible, I prefer playlist to it. Link a playlist to every of your videos so that people can click on that video. I'm going to be showing you something on my YouTube Studio. You can see there is this playlist on my YouTube Studio is having 1,400 views. That's because I usually link the playlist to my end screen on my cards on each and every video that I post on YouTube. That means people are watching that playlist, even if it's just for a few minutes, or they didn't watch the whole thing, but they are watching that playlist. And that is what you need to keep doing. That is how your old videos will keep getting more views. And now when you keep getting more views, you will get to your monetization on time. You're going to meet your 4,000 watch hour on time, and you're going to get to your 1,000 subscriber on time, and you will get monetized on YouTube, and then you keep making money on YouTube. That is how you grow on YouTube. And if you found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to do that. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the subscribe button right now. It is free of charge. You don't need to do anything. Just hit the subscribe button so you will not miss any of my videos in the future. And now if you want to get your 4,000 watch hour, Click on this link right here to be able to watch the video of how I was able to put you through on how to get your 4,000 using the silent live streaming method. And now guys, I'll be seeing you in my next video.